One of my favorite outlying communities in Dallas-Fort Worth is McKinney, Texas. McKinney, it has so much to offer families. So let's take a look at what McKinney could offer for you. McKinney is about 32 miles north of downtown Dallas. It encompasses about 67 square miles and has a population of over 200,000 people, but don't let that scare you off. Its motto is unique by nature. So what do they mean by that? They say it embodies McKinney's community and their willingness to work together, and I can definitely agree with that. First stop in McKinney is the historic downtown. And this isn't just a few stores and restaurants, but a carefully preserved shopping district. My husband Brandon and I enjoyed our day there.
This city was named after Colin McKinney, and he was a signer of the Texas Declaration of Independence from Mexico.
And this main street, it's been popular since 1848, and it's still popular today. What a great place to hang out.
Let's take a look.
One of our favorites is this candy shop. The taffy is amazing. And the district also hosts festivals and concerts throughout the year. Good thing they have plenty of parking with a large parking garage in addition to the spaces on the street. We enjoyed checking out Collin County's historical museum while we were there. This area, it's been a place to gather since 1848. And cotton was king here, and nearby was a large fabric factory that made jeans. So many historic buildings are here, and this limestone prison from 1880 actually had a trap door for hangings. The last execution happened in 1922, and it was used until 1979. There were a few prison alumni here, including Bonnie and Clyde and Charles Tex Watson of the Charles Manson Group. Enough jail talk, let's talk about the neighborhoods of McKinney, Texas. Now, if you love history or being walking distance to the town square, from time to time there are some historic homes that come on the market, as well as condos near the square, and now that's convenience. McKinney also has some great master planned neighborhoods with varying price points, anywhere from, say, $350,000 on up to about $800,000. The population of McKinney is 200,000, with prices starting at $180,000 to $12 million. Now the median home price is $450,000. McKinney, Texas is also known for some large ranches in the northeastern corner of McKinney. McKinney, Texas does have some great schools and programs, as well as homeschool options and nearby private schools. It has 20 elementary schools, 5 middle, and 3 high schools, and it ranks in the top 20% of all of Texas districts. Nationally, McKinney's high schools rank in the top 15% in the country, according to U.S. News and World Report in 2020. McKinney has some great parks and sports fields, including this complex at Craig Ranch. They also have a great hockey program at the Children's Health Star Center. There are plenty of parks with ponds and bike trails. And a few miles down the road from McKinney is shopping at the Stonebriar Mall to the west and Allen Premium Outlets to the south, and a whole ton of restaurants in between. In recent years, McKinney was in the top 100 most livable cities in the US. And the affordability factor in McKinney, Texas is so good. And this downtown square, quaint is how they describe it, this quaint downtown square, man, I could spend every weekend there. Do you need a little bit more help narrowing down where to live? If so, join me on my Texas Tuesday Zoom call. On the Texas Tuesday Zoom call, you can ask me anything you want, whether it be information on cities, help narrowing down where to live, maybe the weather, maybe you have questions about the current real estate market and what it's really like to secure a home. Fill out the Dream Home questionnaire below and you will get a link emailed to you to sign up for Texas Tuesday. I look forward to meeting you.